if you want to turn on or enable split screen on your Android phone, or how to see two apps at the same time on your phone like that. So how can do it? First of all, which two apps do you want to run at the same time on your screen? Open these two apps. I want to run YouTube and Facebook at the same time. So first of all, I open these two apps. Now I go to Recent tab and long press on any application. Now show split mode here. Now we see split screen on my Android phone. So our valuable audience, if you love this video, please subscribe our channel, because your subscription appreciate us to make more videos for you. Thank you so much.